Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am here with you with class 9th math NCERT book chapter number 1 number system exercise 1.1. So let's start this exercise. So first of all, the question number 1 says, is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in a form of p by q where p and q are integers and q should not be equal to 0? So I have written the answer of this question, but I will tell you how to do this question. So I have told you a thing that q should not be equal to 0, isn't it? Just think of an example. There is 14 by 15. Okay, so 14, just think 14 is a numerator that denominated as p, and 15 is a denominator that dominate it as q. So q should not be equal to 0. We can't write it as 14 by 0. If we write it at this position, it will be wrong. Okay, so we can say that 0 is a rational number. Okay, 0 is a rational number. Okay, but the next question says, can you write it in a form of p by q? Can you write 0 in a form of p by q? So yeah, you can write it. As I tell you that we write 0 in a form of 0 by 1, like this: 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 0 by 4, and 0 by so many on we can write it as. Okay, so now let's go to the second question. The second question says, find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So we have to find the rational numbers between these two numbers. There are 3 and 4. So first of all, if we have to find, we will draw a number line. We will see that number is coming on the number line or not. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in 3 and 4 we can't see any of the number that left in this number line. So what we will do, we will use a method like, we will take 3 is a number, but if we have to make it as a rational number, what we will do, we will add 1 over here. Okay, like this. Let me show you over here, you can't understand it. 3 by 1 we will make it, and 4 by 1 we will make it. Okay, and after that what we will do, we will multiply it by any of the number that you want. I will multiply it by 8. I have shown you. So if I multiply it by 8, I will multiply it by 8 over here also, and by 8 over here also. So the answer that is came is 24 and 32 by 8, 24 by 8. So the answers came 24 by 8 and 32 by 8. So we can find a large number of numbers between these two numbers. So the answer should be 25 by 8, 26 by 8, 27 by 8, 28 by 8, 29 by 8, and 30 by 8. This is a 6 rational numbers. And again, if you have to do it another method, I have chosen a number that is 10. So let me show you it. So by doing this by the number 10, 3 into 10 get 30, 1 into 10 get 10, 4 into 10 by 40, 1 into 10 get this number like 30 by 10 and 40 by 10. So we can find the number 30 and 40. Middle number are 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So this is the answer of this question. Now let's go to the third question. So in this question, I will do it with my hand. Okay. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So we have 5 as a denominator and they are same. So what we will do, we will use the same method that we used in the second question. We will write it as 3 by 5, 4 by 5. We can do it as any of the number. Let's choose 6. Okay, so 3 6 are 18, 18 by 30. Get it? Now we will do it as this number, 4 into 6 as known as 24. Okay, I hope you got it. So the number that came is 18 by 30 and 24 by 30. So the answer that came is 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So these are the 5 rational numbers that came Okay, so these are the 5 rational numbers that came. Now we will do the same with another number, like let's choose 10. 3 by 5, 4 by 5, multiplied by 10, 30 and 40, the same number we get it. 30 by 50, 40 by 50. So what will the answer? 31, 32, 31 by 50, 32 by 50, 33 by 50, 34 by 50, 35 by 50. Okay, so now let's come to the fourth question. The fourth question says true or false. So the first part is every natural number is a whole number. So yes, it's true, because let me show you the example and tell you. I hope you are able to see. So I will tell you what are natural numbers, but in previous video I give you an introduction video on this. So now let's see. Natural numbers are start from 1 to infinite, and whole numbers and natural numbers both are same, but the difference between them is a pretty much different over here, that is 0. Whole number also contains 0, but natural number does not contain 0. Integers are the number which have negative numbers also and positive numbers also. Rational numbers are the number which mainly be in the form of fraction, you can see, and the p and q can be integers, but the q should not be equal to 0. Okay, so I hope you get it, the answer. So natural numbers, all natural number like 1, 2, 3, 4, they all are formed in the whole numbers. The question says every natural numbers are whole numbers. So yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and to infinite, they all are present in whole numbers, isn't it? So we can say every natural number is a whole number, but we can't say it every whole number can't be the natural number. Okay, so what will the answer of this question? It says it is true. Next, every integer is a whole number. Is every integer is a whole number? Every integer is a whole number. Your whole number is integers. It can be present like every whole number can be the integer, but every integer can't be the whole number. I hope you get it. Integers also present, minus numbers means negative numbers, but is there negative number present in whole numbers? No. So what will be the answer? False. Now third part is every rational number is a whole number. Did every rational numbers is a whole number? No. Why? Because rational numbers contain the fraction numbers and whole number didn't contain any of the fraction numbers. So we can say it as the answer will be false. So by this we complete this exercise. So I hope you got it. If you have any doubt, any query, please write it in the comment section, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day. And in next topic I will make of 9.2 exercise. Thank you. 1.2.